This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Vista Ford Lincoln of Oxnard is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1501 Auto Center Drive in Oxnard.